parallel universes might be real. Note, these ain't proved yet, but this may be real. So don't hate, please. Imagine this. Every choice you make, every random event around you, isn't just happening in one universe. Instead, the universe is constantly branching into countless parallel universes, each hosting a slightly different version of you. This isn't science fiction. It's a serious implication of quantum mechanics. The quantum puzzle. In classical physics, everything has a definite state. If I know your speed and position, I can predict where you'll be next. But quantum mechanics tells a different story. At the subatomic level, particles exist in probabilities, not certainties. This is represented mathematically by the wave function, psi, which encodes all possible outcomes for a system. Traditionally, the Copenhagen interpretation, developed by Niels Bohr and Werner Heisenberg, said that the wave function collapses when observed. For instance, an electron might have a 50% chance of going left and 50% chance of going right. When you measure it, the universe chooses one path. The wave function collapses, and the other outcome disappears. Einstein famously disagreed, stating, "God does not play dice with the universe." Schrödinger illustrated this with his thought experiment. A cat in a box is simultaneously dead and alive until observed. Weird, right? The many worlds interpretation. But what if the wave function never collapses? Every quantum event branches reality. One universe becomes two, two become four, four become eight, eight becomes 16, and so on. Infinite realities unfolding. In 1957, Hugh Everett proposed this radical idea. Instead of one outcome being realized and the others erased, the universe splits. One universe sees the electron go left, another sees it go right. Both outcomes are real, but they exist in separate, non-communicating universes. This is the many worlds interpretation, MWI. Every quantum decision causes branching, creating near-infinite parallel realities. Your consciousness is just a passenger along one of these paths. Every possible version of you exists somewhere in the multiverse. Decoherence, the key to many worlds. You may wonder, if all possibilities exist, why do we only see one reality? The answer is quantum decoherence. When a quantum system interacts with its environment, atoms, photons, light, temperature, its wave function entangles with countless external factors. This effectively locks in each outcome, giving the illusion of wave function collapse. But in reality, each outcome exists in its own branch. This reconciles MWI with observable reality and explains why we don't experience multiple outcomes simultaneously. Quantum immortality. If MWI is true, what does it say about life and death? Imagine a life-threatening event, like a car crash. In one branch, you die. In another, you survive. Quantum immortality suggests that your consciousness continues in the branch where you survive, making you, at least in a sense, immortal. Some physicists treat this as a thought experiment, but it raises profound questions. If all possible outcomes exist, could consciousness itself be a fundamental property guiding which branch we experience? The soul beyond physics. Here's where things get philosophical. Current physics can describe probability. Whether you interpret this scientifically or spiritually, the many worlds interpretation forces us to reconsider the universe and our place in it. Every choice, every chance event may be creating new realities. Consciousness might be more than a byproduct of neurons. It could be a fundamental property that transcends physics, navigating infinite universes. And maybe the dream of you falling off a cliff or something else ain't kind of like a dream, but something that happened in another alternate decision, and the soul is the reason we are getting the views of alternate universe, since soul can pass through the quantum realm. The next frontier isn't just space exploration, it's quantum exploration, potentially unlocking paths across universes. immortality, and a deeper understanding of existence itself,